Hello everybody! I recently won a contest by default. Big thanks to JK18 for providing this company with my email so they would be able to send me some product. It was real difficult to do. All I had to do was reply to the email with my address, and 2 or 3 days later I had product. I got this Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser in a spray bottle, as well as in foam. Here's some of the literature I received with the package. This is their new floor absorbent, and there's where it's available. Here is the dilution ratio. And all the stuff it will clean. Here is the product lineup and what it's for. This is the letter I received with the product telling me all about it and what it will do, and they also included a nice decal which will be good out in the workshop. With that being said, this is not a paid promotion. I got this sent to me free of charge. I'm just a guy who likes to keep everything clean and looking its best, so I was a perfect candidate to send this product to. Now let's go try this in the real world. I've got a few things that need to be cleaned up. We'll try both of these products alongside with some others that I have later on in the video. So let's go get started. Let's try out some of these cleaners. I'm going to do one wheel of this, and on another wheel I'm going to use this. Have some mixed up right there. Let's get started. This wheel will be the Zep Industrial Degreaser. Let's see what it does. Just going to spray it down pretty well. Alright, let that soak. And now for the Super Clean. We'll go on this side. I'll let these get real good and dirty. So we can get a good test. And now I'll just let those soak. Let's rinse. I'm impressed. The front is half Super Clean and half Zep Industrial Purple Degreaser over here. took all the bugs off. Now let's see what the Zep Industrial Purple Degreaser did. I believe we have a winner, and that is the Super Clean. How about that? I didn't expect that. Now I'm going to do a four-way test. I've got two foaming cleaners, the Super Clean and the Tru Grit, and then I've got LA's Totally Awesome and the Spray Super Clean Degreaser. I've got this mixed up 1-to-1, so half water, half LA's Totally Awesome solution. So let's go see here. This is that same pan I used on the Purple Power versus LA's Totally Awesome. This is not a cooking sheet any longer. This is for oil changes and working on cars and stuff like that. A drip pan. This is a big pan. It's not going to fit in the sink. I don't have hot water out here. We're not trying dishwashing detergent today. So I'm going to set this up like I did before. We'll get the tripod and we'll do this in one force. I've just put some motor oil on it just for a test. Let's get started. First up, we're going to try this Tru Grit, which is technically not a degreaser, but it's the closest thing I have. Next will be the Super Clean Foaming Degreaser. Next will be the Super Clean Spray. And finally, the LA's Totally Awesome. We'll let that sit just a little bit. And we're going to use this setting on the spray nozzle just to rinse it off. Let's see what happens. Kind of looks to me like the Super Clean Spray did the best job. Don't know what y'all think, but it looks like the Tru Grit came in second and the LA's third and the Spray Super Clean fourth, somewhere like that. Let's try them again. And we'll let this sit even longer this time and see what happens. Alright, we've set about 5 minutes. Let's rinse again. And there's the results after the second time. Looks like the Tru Grit and the spray Super Clean did a little bit better job. But I didn't agitate or anything. I just absolutely sprayed it on there and gently rinsed it off. It's a heavier spray. And so once again, this has been a look at Super Clean Spray and Foam, along with some other products that I've already used. So thank you for watching.